rear bumper install for the 93 to 98 ZJ. This bumper can either be the shorty, which with the shorty, it'll come with these end caps. And then for the full size, it'll come with these wings. So first what you're going to want to do is it'll come with two of these brackets. And they just get folded on. They just get folded on the outside of the mounting plate on the bumper with the channel facing out. So after you get your stock rear bumper off, just put these on, finger tight, let them a little bit loose so they can move. Then all you do is move your light. Those just slide right in the hole. You're going to need a 3/4 and an impact or a ratchet. And if you can see under here, there's two holes where the gas tank skid mounts to. And that's right where your bolts are going to go. Okay, so once you get your bumper mounted up, you get it leveled off to where you want it. There's 3 bolts where the brackets mount onto the bumper. If you need to move it a little bit, that's where you're going to want to do it. So then when you're going with, if you pick either the shorty or the full size for the shorty, you're going to get these end caps, and they're just going to get these black button heads. Oops. Run away, bolt. You're going to get these end caps with the button heads, and they're just going to go right on here. Bolt them up like so. And that's all there is to it for the shorty. You're going to have your wing like this. These have the nuts already welded on the inside, so they're easy to put on. All you do is put that up there. Get your bolts started. Once you get all 4 of your bolts started, you're going to want to tighten it, line it up to the body line where you want it. And then if it has a little bit of a gap on the end, all you have to do is loosen these 6 bolts and just tilt your bumper a little bit to get everything to line up the way you want it. And then go in, tighten them down. If you have to, you can put washers between here to space it out a little bit if you have to, once again. But other than that, it's pretty simple. Okay, thank you.